Today, I'm going to walk you through how to track time in Monday.com, a powerful way to get visibility over your work hours, manage productivity, and keep projects on schedule. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up Monday.com so you can monitor where your team's time is spent, view detailed logs, and even run calculations based on tracked hours. If time management is something you care about, you're in the right spot. Let's jump right in. The very first thing you'll want to do is add the time tracking column to your Monday.com board. Look towards the top right corner of your board. There's a button labeled Plus Add Column. Give that a click. This opens up a menu with tons of column choices. But to save yourself some scrolling, just type Time Tracking into the search bar. Select it when you see it pop up. Adding this column is crucial. It's what transforms a basic task list into a smart dashboard that actually keeps up with real work as it happens. Now, once that column's in place, it's time to start tracking. Whenever you begin working on a task, locate the time tracking column for that specific item and tap the play button. Think of this just like punching a clock at a job. It starts counting from the moment you hit play. If you need to pause, maybe you're taking a coffee break or jumping into a quick meeting, just hit pause, and Monday.com will log how much time you spent up to that point. If you're done for now, use the stop button. This part is super intuitive, and you can always click play again later if you come back to the same task. Don't worry if you forget to stop the timer. Monday.com lets you edit these logs afterwards too. Speaking of editing, managing and viewing your time logs offers a ton of flexibility. Let's say you worked on something yesterday and forgot to track it in real time. That's where manual entry comes in. Click into the time tracking cell for the relevant task and choose Add Session Manually. From here, you can enter both a start and end time. So every work session gets recorded, even if you weren't at your computer when it happened. If you want to know exactly how your time spent adds up, Monday.com's activity log is your friend. Within every item, you can scroll through a history of all your time entries, whether tracked live or added manually. It's useful for checking on patterns, especially when you're managing multiple contributors or comparing how long similar tasks tend to take. Here's a useful customization. Maybe you'd rather see your time in minutes, not seconds. That's easy. Click the little down arrow next to the time tracking column title and choose Column Settings. Here, you can adjust the default time display so minutes are front and center. It makes reading your logs at a glance much simpler, especially for longer projects. Now, for those who love to take things further, you can use your tracked data in a formula column. Let's say you want to compare actual time spent versus your estimates. Monday.com lets you pull in time tracking values to run calculations. This is perfect for project managers or freelancers who want to keep tabs not just on what's done, but on how efficiently tasks are completed. And there you have it. Tracking time in Monday.com is straightforward once you know where to click and what the different options allow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. That lets me know you enjoyed it. Drop any questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more practical tech tips, make sure to subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching.